days the choke just doesn't want to choke. Other days it seems to work fine. By the way, guys, I'm 6'4", and I still get on the bike like it's a horse too, so I don't like dragging my foot over the top of the seat. Sometimes it leaves marks. Just looking down at my LEDs, I need to remember to tighten those bolts because everything seems to vibrate loose on the KLR, or I guess on any thumper. A lot of vibration there. So it's a dreary day, it's cloudy. I can actually feel mist in the air. It's not quite rain, but it is enough to gather on my face shield. The sky is a solid... Oh, there's some horses in there now. The sky is a solid gray. Looks like rain. It feels like it could rain at any minute. But have any of you noticed that the Weather Channel just doesn't seem to be as accurate as it used to be? I don't know if it's just me in my area or if it's other people too. I use the Weather Channel a lot. There's probably a better source now, but I use the Weather Channel to decide if I'm going to ride the bike. And lately, it's been failing me a bit. So it'll tell me it's a great day out. Zero chance of precipitation. And I'll walk outside and rain hits me in the face. And that's kind of what happened today. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's like a mist in the air. It's gathering on my face shield. Hopefully it'll burn off. Hopefully the sky will clear up. My ride home will not be as wet. Anyway, I'm counting on the Weather Channel a little bit. They say 0% today. Let's see if they're accurate with that. Well, they've already missed the mark, I guess. But let's see if they become more accurate throughout the day. So I want to give a shout out back to FULLCIPHER. He gave me a shout out yesterday in his 3x3 challenge, and I appreciate that. Definitely helps me out to get as many people as possible watching my videos, mostly because I'd like them to be interested in my content, as boring as it seems to be for me. This isn't really a content-heavy vlog. It's more or less a me riding to work vlog, and it started out, I just wanted a camera on the bike. I really just wanted a camera on the bike because you guys know traffic's bad, cagers are mean sometimes, and I just kind of wanted to have documentation of what goes on the bike. And then I thought, hey, I'm videoing, you know, I'm creating content while I'm driving. I might as well be doing something with it besides deleting it. And then I found the KLR owners. You guys are great. You're a tight-knit bunch. I haven't met one KLR owner that I dislike, and that's generally I don't dislike anybody, so that's good. But know, I've seen a lot of other vloggers, bikers, guys that are just sometimes just ass to people, and to other vloggers or to people on the road, or you know, it's just, I mean, if you want to spend your time being that way to other people or being negative. Now granted, I get pissed off sometimes, you know, at cagers or anybody who threatens my life on the road, so don't get me wrong, I do get mad, you know, I get upset at people, but generally I'm not negative towards people. I don't like a lot of types of drivers, but generally I try to put myself in everybody else's shoes. I try to treat people with respect and give them as much benefit of doubt as I can. But there's some bikers out there that are just straight up dicks, and there's no reason for it really. But KLR guys, you guys are the best. Every one of you has been friendly towards me and supportive, and I appreciate that. Just want to let you all know. And FULLCIPHER, appreciate it, man, for the shout. There's another trike. I keep seeing these trikes. Wow. It's like back in the day when you used to see beetles all over the place. It might just be me, I don't know. I started looking at trikes thinking, I wonder how it is to ride a trike. And now I see them every time I go out. Well, what started it was there was a guy who had an old Kawasaki Voyager for sale, and it was in really, really nice condition. It was a trike. He'd already had the Voyager kit on it, and it was pretty cheap. And it might even been, it might have been too cheap to be real. Sometimes you see these deals or ads online, and the price is just too cheap, and you're like, what? So I didn't call the guy or anything, but he had pictures and everything, and I looked at it and I was like, that is a deal. I want to say it was like $1,200 or $1,400 or something like that, and it was an older one, but it was in really great shape. I mean, it was extra clean. I mean, you could tell it was just like, it was like spotless, and I was like, that's incredibly cheap. I didn't call him because I started thinking about it. I was like, do I really want to ride a trike? Would I really ride a trike? It'd be great for touring sometimes, I think, if I wanted to just go somewhere long distance and still wanted to ride a bike. I thought about that, but you could haul a lot of stuff, you could haul another person easily with plenty of room. It's kind of like a convertible, so you got the freedom of being open and outdoors, but at the same time you have the comfort of a small car, pretty much. And enough room to pack and carry stuff, which the KLR has plenty of room. Don't get me wrong, I've got side bags I never even put on the bike. I've got them, and I've used them maybe once or twice, and originally I pulled them off because they were taking up too much room on the side of the bike when I parked it in the garage, and then I just kind of left them off because I haven't needed them yet. I've got this top box, and it's huge, and it pretty much holds everything that I need it to, which is mostly just my backpack with my laptop and stuff I need for work. So that's doing the job. I'm getting a little off track today, so I'm kind of rambling. I'm starting to sound like FULLCIPHER. Sorry, man. No, FULLCIPHER's great. I watch all of his vids, so I can't say anything bad about FULLCIPHER. great guy. But even if I did, it's still good, right? Bad publicity is good publicity, I guess. At least I wouldn't mind. Just don't thumbs down me. I'm just kidding. Thumbs down me if you want. Yeah, so today is just another ride to work. Boring for a lot of folks probably, because I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm not jumping anything. I'm trying not to wreck. I'm not even trying to jump into big deep mud puddles. So maybe some of you are okay with just watching content like that. I'm sure a lot of you aren't. But I do appreciate you watching just the same. So I'm beginning to like this suspension more and more. I originally thought the rear was a little tight, and I may not have been in enough off-road stuff to really tell if it is or not. I got the Top Gun rear spring. It's the 9.3 kilogram. Really stiff. And again, I'm a big guy, so I need I felt like I needed the stiffest spring they had, so that's what I got. I believe I could have went with the 8.0 kilogram, and I believe just about anybody who just rides with extra camping gear or just a heavy load, even if you weigh somewhere between 130 and 200, I think the 8.0 would be great for you. Even if you're 240. It would be great for you. 9.3 is really stiff, so it is it is for a heavier rider, around 300 probably, and then if you're going to carry stuff, you might need to turn the settings up a little bit. But I've got the 9.3. I don't carry a lot of stuff, and I ride it on a setting of 1. Now, it doesn't move a whole lot when I'm on it. It's just enough, I guess. Now, if I was off-road, it might be a little bouncy. Might buck a little bit. I haven't hit any really big rocks yet, so I'll let you guys know later. Anyway, this has been a rambling day, and I'm about to work, so I'm going to let you guys go. Appreciate you listening, subscribing, liking, all that stuff, and you guys have a good day.